Okay, so we are going to learn about a new numbering system, binary. Now, we know how to count in the number system that we use in everyday life, which is base 10 or decimal. The digits we use to count in the decimal system or the base 10 system is using these digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We use these to represent all of the infinite numbers in existence. Now, we know how to count. It's 1, 2, 3, and then we keep going. And when we get to 9, because we've used up all the digits, right? You start with 0. And now we use the number 10. Use the number 1 and 0 to represent the new set of the other 10s. Now, let's pretend that the only numbers in existence, or the only digits that we have now, are 0 and 1. And we can't use these anymore. Then how would we count? How would we have counted if this was how mathematicians decided to count? Then we would just start with 0, and then 1 comes after 0, but then I don't have the number 2 anymore. Now I've used up all the digits. Remember how when I used up 0, 9, I just went and replaced this with a 1, and then went back to 0? And then called this the number 10. Now I do the same thing here. Because I've used up the biggest digit that we have, I'm going to put 1, 0. This is how we represent the number 2 in binary. Now then, what comes after 1, 0? It's 1, 1. Now, what comes after that? Now I've used up my 1 here and my 1 here. What could possibly be bigger than that? Now, what would I do in decimal if I had the number 99? These are the biggest digits in the decimal system. What would I do after this? After 99? Well, I would do 100. Now, these are the biggest digits that I have in binary. Then what would I do? Then I would just say 1, 0, 0. Then I would do 1, 0, 1. That's 1 bigger than 1, 0, 0. Then what comes after 1, 0, 1? Well, when I add 1 here, then it would just, because I've used up the biggest digit for these two digits, then it would just be 1, 1, 0. Right? Then I count again. And then I want you to pause the video and tell me what comes after this. It's 1, 0, 0, 0. Now, as an exercise, I want you guys to count from 0 to 16 in both decimal and binary. Now, this is how you count from 0 to 16 in binary. Now, if I were to convert from binary to decimal, this is what it would look like. 0 would be 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 would be 13, and 1, 1, 1, 0 would be 14. I'm going to teach you how to convert bigger numbers. Like, for example, if we had 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, or 0, 1, 1, 1, we will be able to convert that back into decimal. And if we had decimal, we can, the decimal version of this, we can convert it to binary and we would get this number. But for now, this is how we count in binary. Thanks for watching.